Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be going over the mobile app Trello has, which seamlessly syncs with the PC version. Let's get started. As you can see here, we are in my phone recording. I have a Samsung S10, which is Android. You may have an Apple, so the screen may be slightly different. If you don't have this app on your phone, go to either Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to download this app before beginning with this video. Tap on the Trello app button. Click on Login and log in with the same account you had with your PC version. If you have your Google or Microsoft account synced with your phone, you can just log in with either option. Or you can do as I'm doing here and just sign in with my email. You may also be required to enter your password if this is the first time using the Trello app. When you first log in, you may either be on the home page or on the board's home screen. Tap on the hamburger menu button on the top left of the screen. Here you can switch between your board screen, home page, Teams menu, cards, and settings. Let's click on Boards. If you have been following on the previous videos, you will see the original board we created is automatically on here, called Daily Tasks. Tap on this board. You'll also see the lists and cards we have created previously. Tap on the Create New Mobile App card, and here is also the checklist we have created earlier. Now click on the three dots on the top right of your screen. This is the same as the Show menu button on the PC version with all of the same options. Scroll down to where it says Power-Ups. Your calendar may or may not be activated. Tap on the calendar power-up to toggle it on. It is now highlighted in green, and you can now open the calendar. You'll also see here that the due date is activated on your mobile device, the same as the desktop version. This is an amazing tool when you're updating cards and documents for employees out in the field. Your employees or other people will be able to access these documents instantly. This was just a quick intro into using the mobile version. In the more advanced section, we will go over the mobile app more in depth. If you like these quick videos, consider subscribing. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.